Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Hostinger affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. After navigating to your browser, go to the search bar and type in join Hostinger affiliate program. So type in this and hit enter. After that, you will see a search result saying Hostinger affiliate program. Click on this link and you'll be promoted to this page. Or you can also go to the search bar and type in Hostinger, hit enter and navigate to Hostinger's official website. Here what you're going to do is scroll at the bottom of this page and in the footer section you will see these options. Under these options, click on the affiliate program and you'll be promoted to this page. So basically navigate to this affiliate page through any way and here you're gonna see join the program in 4 easy steps. So the first step includes instant sign up. Sign up on Hostinger and create an account. The second step is track your performance. Access one of the best affiliate control panels in the industry, easily track and optimize your campaigns. Now step 3 is use affiliate banners. Never be empty-handed. Marketing materials in one place tailored to your style. Now step 4 is get your payout. Hostinger shares revenue fairly. Every eligible sale made earns you at least 60% commissions and that's just the start. So in order to get started, click on the Access Affiliate platform and you'll be on this page. Select I have read and agree to the privacy policy and click on continue. After that, you're gonna select I accept cookies and scroll down. Now you will see a page that will ask for your email and password. So if you already have an account, type in the email and password for that account and click on login. If not, click on partner sign up. After you select partner sign up, here what you're going to do is enter your company name. Now enter your address, city, code, country, region, zip code and phone number. And in the website section, you'll have to enter your website's URL. So what I'm going to do is navigate to my YouTube channel, copy my YouTube channel's link and paste it in this section. Now select the cookie consent and click on next. After you click on next, enter your first name, last name, title, email address, password and confirm your password. Now type in your password, confirm your password and click on next. After you click on next, you will have to enter additional questions. What is your main channel to promote Hostinger brands? So click on this and choose YouTube. You can choose anything according to your preference. Now you'll have to provide the URL where you're planning to promote Hostinger's brand list. So enter the URL where you're planning to promote Hostinger brand. So I'm going to paste my YouTube link here. Now which product are you going to promote? Hostinger, website builder or both? So I'm going to select both. Now you'll have to enter how many visitors or views does your website or channel receive on average per month. So I'm going to enter that my channel receives 21,000 views or visitors per month. Now select this field and select I understand. Select this field and choose I understand. It says I understand that the minimum payment threshold via PayPal is $100 and 3 approved conversions each time. Now select this field and select yes and click on next. Now when you click on next, you can read the privacy policy, scroll down and choose I've read and agree to the privacy policy, I agree to the terms and conditions and choose I'm not a robot and click on sign up and select I hereby consent and allow the use of company's information and click on sign up. After you click on sign up, you'll be logged into your Hostinger's affiliate program. So what will happen is basically you'll be promoted back to this page. Here you're going to click on login at the top right corner, click on login. So after you follow out all those steps, you will have successfully applied for the Hostinger affiliate program. Your application to Hostinger International in review and the review process usually takes 3 to 5 working days. In the meantime, you will receive an email from Hostinger that will state out those things that I'm saying here. And after you receive your credentials, you can log in using your user credentials on Amazon Hostinger affiliate program. And that's how you can join Hostinger's affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.